Welcome back to Grill This Smoke That, and today we're doing Taco Bell style crunch wraps on the Blackstone. You can see I have a cast iron skillet and a saucepan on the Blackstone. Yes, you can use your pots and pans on the Blackstone. It's just a heat source like anything else. I have refried beans heating up over here on low heat. I have medium heat right here where we're going to be browning the ground beef. I'm going to use my mix and chop. I have a link to this in my Amazon link. If you go to my link tree and then click the Amazon link there, you'll see a link to order this from Amazon.com. It makes it very easy to chop up your ground beef. I have lean ground beef going today. This is bought from Sam's Club. This is their 93.7, so it's not going to have a lot of grease today. So first things first, we're going to get this nice and brown. I don't know if it's like this everywhere, but in Georgia we have crazy amounts of houseflies in the summer months. So I bought this fan that sits near your food. So I put it near my prep station to keep the flies off of it. The flies won't get off of it, and when I reach my hand in, it automatically stops the fan blades so I can get whatever I need. So it's a great way to keep those house flies out of your food, because we all know when you're cooking on the Blackstone, you want all of your ingredients outside the whole time during the cook. I have a link to the fan in that Amazon link as well. While the beans are heating up and the ground beef is browning, I'm gonna go ahead and get some butter on one side of all of my tortillas. Don't forget to keep your refried beans stirred as well. Once your ground beef is brown, go ahead and remove the grease and then add in your seasonings and a little bit of water. I drained the grease from the ground beef. I'm gonna add my favorite taco seasoning. A little bit of water, not a lot, because you want this a little bit dry tonight. Otherwise it's gonna soak right through the crunch wraps. Go ahead and get that nice and mixed up and move it over to the low side of your griddle. All right, so we're going to put our flour tortilla butter side down. I'm going to add some refried beans. The refried beans keep the meat from soaking through any grease that's left in your ground beef. Then we can take some ground beef and put on top. Add some shredded queso. Some fresh chopped onions. Your tostada goes right in the center. Then you can use 2 spatulas and just fold it into the middle. Once you get it folded, flip it over and let the other side get hot. Let's cut it in half and take a peek.
I love the soft outside of the flour tortilla with the crunch on the inside. These things turned out incredible. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I post weekly videos from either the Blackstone or the Big Green Egg. If you like the t-shirt that I'm wearing in the video, make sure you check the description for a link to order your own. And as always, I hope you guys have a great day.